Want to turn a real-world place into a 3D world you can explore in VIVERSE? I'll show you how I used drone footage and transformed it into an interactive VIVERSE world using Scene AI. I started by flying my DJI Air 3S around the pool area at Camp Taylor. I used the wide lens, shot in 4K at 30p with a high shutter speed to reduce motion blur, and recorded in D-Log for maximum dynamic range. I set the lifeguard stand as my point of interest, so the drone automatically circled around it. Back on my MacBook Pro, I imported the video into Adobe Premiere. I applied a D-Log to Rec. 709 LUT to add contrast and saturation. Next, I uploaded the video to VIVERSE Scene AI. Scene AI automatically processes the footage into a 3D world you can download as a PLY file. I compressed the file in SuperSplat, then I imported it into PlayCanvas using their gsplat importer. To make the world walkable for VIVERSE avatars, I created a simple floor collider inside PlayCanvas. I added a new empty entity, then I added two components, rigid body and collision. I kept the collision type set to box and adjusted the half extents to cover my scene. You can tweak the position and scale to fit your world, and even add walls and boxes for elevated surfaces. Then use the VIVERSE plugin to upload and test the world. When everything looked right, I hit Create World. Now the Camp Taylor pool is an explorable VIVERSE world you can walk around and share with others. That's how I turned drone footage into a 3D VIVERSE world using Scene AI. If you want to learn more about building real places into immersive experiences, hit subscribe and check the link below to explore this world yourself.